What's up, guys? Welcome back, and today it's Eddie here. And also today I am wearing some Adidas pants and an Adidas shirt. And like I told you, I'm gonna be filming here for the rest of the time. So the first line. Oh, I didn't even tell you what we were doing. Wait, did I? I forgot. I don't know.
Boring.
But today I'm going to be showing you all of my slime.
You so boring.
And, like all of my slimes. Well, not every single slime that I made in my whole entire life, because half of them are in the garbage, because they're so sticky and gross. But so I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 5 here, I guess. So we're just gonna work with those. But my first slime is the sky one, and you guys have seen this in my video a bunch of times. So, just gonna poke it. This one's not very good. It has like one piece of strand. Like, don't you know when there's like one piece of hair in it? Like one strand of hair in it, and then it ruins the whole thing. This one sucks. This one's one of my bad ones, but it's kind of sketchy, I guess. Not really. Like, this will take a long, whatever. That one was my first slime, and that was Sky. That was not very good. The next one is this slime. This slime is pretty good, I guess. I have not named this one. It's one of my crunchy slimes. I have one just like it, but it's not blue, it's white. That I'm gonna show you. It's so hard to poke, it doesn't feel right. By the way, I didn't make a really big bubble with that one because, like, it's not stretchy. Oh my gosh. The beads are falling out everywhere. That's why I hate these slimes. I made this with Jenna. Go check out her channel. Her channel is Jad space DA. Don't judge her name because she, on accident, like she was trying to write Jenna Addy, and it didn't work. So yeah. Alright, so my next slime is this slime. This is the one that I was talking about. Identical peeps. Just this one's white. Just listen, just listen. This one I really don't want to take out, but I'm gonna for the video. See, honestly, it does not melt. I can fit it right back in. It's not good, but that's okay. This one is, I feel bad for this one. It's my bubblegum blowout one. But then I added some of this slime in it, and I added some yellow paint, and it turned it into this color. So I guess it's not bubblegum. I experiment a lot on my slimes, so. This one I play with a lot, because it's super duper stretchy. Not that many bubbles. This one I feel so bad because it was bubbles and blow out. Now it's green. Now this one is the best one. This one is my jumbo slime. I made it yesterday. And I added so much shaving cream. That's why it's so bubbly. This one's so good. Oh! That was humongous. This one is my favorite. I love it because it's so fluffy. It's my fluffy slime. I don't want to color it. I want to call it marshmallow fluff. I'm sad. All I have is regular slime. I have crunchy slimes, I have regular slimes, and one fluffy slime. This one I made last night. It's really good. I added too much shaving cream. I added so much. That's why it was so bubbly. But I love making swirls. That's the best part about it. Or making bubbles. Like the big bubble that I made. Getting so much out of this one. I'm so happy that I made this one. But I used all of my Elmer's glue and I need to get a gallon now. Let's make a big bubble and let's have it work. Woo! There's a pop in it. This is so good. I love this slime. I should have made a tutorial on how to make it because this was like my only good slime. Guys, so my video is almost just slime. Like me and my friend are obsessed with slime. I love doing this and like adding the slime in the middle so it makes it, but oh, look at this. It's everywhere. Ah! I keep adding shaving cream to this because it's really defluffing. It used to be like this big, but not that big. This big. But disconnected. And now it's only this big. Ah! My hair got stuck in it.
No,
it messed up.
I don't want to be the right way.
Oh, there's one bubble that I was going to pop it.
Too bad.
Like so. Okay, the best is when
The best is just when
okay, so this is how to make a swirl, guys. This is a tutorial on how to make a swirl.
turn on how to make swirl, guys.
So you're gonna stretch it as far as you can.
Stretch it as far as you
long as
can,
your arms
peeps.
go. Then you're gonna go, and then you're gonna do it one
You're
more
gonna
time.
go
Get
and
a
do it
little
one more
shorter.
time.
And then you're gonna go,
And then you're gonna go.
and then keep going around and
And then
around.
keep going around and around.
And then it will become a swirl.
And then it will become a swirl. And then you poke it, and then it's perfect, guys. Wow.
And guys, how to make this slime is you need Elmer's white glue. You need shaving cream. All right, here's a tip. Before you use the shaving cream, shake it, okay? You need shaving cream and you need contact solution. So, guys, thank you so much for watching. And make sure to leave a like down below and subscribe. Wait, no.